So guys, our cream is ready. This cream works very well on sunburn, so just try to use it with a very good sunburn cleanser and you will see the dramatic result within 3 days. And during the day, please always put on your sunblock, at least SPF 50, and don't use a whitening cream, as in strong whitening cream, on your face during the day. Just use a lightening cream. And hi guys, you are all welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Extreme Beauty Therapy. Please kindly ignore the background noise. The noise is really much. It's just that I have some renovation going on in my office, so that's why the whole place is being noisy. The workmen are here, so please kindly bear with me. So quickly, I want to show you guys how to make a sunburn face cream. What I mean about this sunburn face cream, it's in fact it's a permanent sunburn remover, because you notice sometimes when you use a product and the sunburn will go away and after some time it will come back, but this one is permanently. But you just have to use it with a sunburn cleanser that will really help. Then this is to be used at night only on those places. Don't apply it all over your face, just apply it on that place that you have sunburn. Then maybe after those places have cleared, you can now be applying it on your face during the night. Please, only at night. So this is a Carambola face cream. This is from Pink Rose. When you are getting it, try to get the original. So, and this Carambola face cream, it comes with it has morning and night. This is it. This is the day cream and this is the night cream. We are using these two. Then we have here Ultra Glow White face cream. We are also using this. Please kindly ignore the background noise. We are also using this. Then we have here Dr. RASHEL Vitamin C Serum. We are going to be using this as well. Then we have here Rose Essential Oil. This is Emani. Remember, rose is a good healing oil. It's calm irritation, it's calm inflammatory. So this is rose. That's what we are going to use. We also have here Shenic. Sorry, this is not Shenic. Sorry about that. This is SANTARDE. We also have this SANTARDE. It has for face and it has for feet. So please, when you are buying it, just try to make sure that you get the face one. How you are going to know the face and the one for feet? So like this one for face, this is where you have this facial image here. Then on the one for feet, you are going to have a feet image here. That one is used for feet, while this is used for face. So that is what we are going to use. Then let me show you the mixture. We are using both Carambola. We are not using only the night. We are using both morning and nights. So that was the night, and this is the day. The day color is always like this, while the night one looks whiter. So here we have Ultra Glow Whites. This is also the color. There's another Ultra Glow White that the color looks pinkish. Please don't buy that one. That one is not original. You are not going to get the results. So try to get this particular one. Remember, this is for night only, and during the day, if you are treating sunburn, always try to go out with your sunblock at least SPF 50, so it will help. But if you are treating sunburn and during the day you put on your lightening cream or whitening face cream and you walk under the sun like that, you are not going to see anything you are treating. It's not gonna work. We are using half teaspoon of Dr. RASHEL vitamin C serum. This serum is good for face brightening. It's firm, it repairs, it protects, it improves skin elasticity. It's very good. It's also good for anti-aging. For those that are trying to treat wrinkles, always look out for this. This SANTARDE is a cleanser. You can use this as a cleanser, but if you have a sensitive skin, try to dilute it with rose water. Don't use it like that. Even if you don't have a sensitive skin, it's not good to use like that. Make sure you dilute with rose water. So, and here we have our rose oil. We are going to use just 2 drops. Just 2 drops. 1, 2. Please guys, sorry about the noise. My other phone just rang. So that is how original rose oil looks like. It's good for repair. Then we have here our wonder powder. I call this small but mighty. It's very small but it's very mighty. It works for pimples, it works for stretch marks. As the name implies, miracle. It's not a joke, it's really a miracle powder. So we're just gonna add a little. So even if you make this cream and you notice it changes color, you don't have to be scared. That's how it is. Remember to apply this product on the affected areas, only on the affected areas. Apply it at night when you return from wherever, maybe from your job or after the long runs during the day. Just get a cotton wool, take your cleanser, wipe up your face, then get your face soap, wash up your face, then apply this on the affected areas. It will also help with dark spots. It will help with dark spots. It will help with dark eye circle. This is a 3-in-1 face cream. So guys, if you know you like my video, if you know you love this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get notified anytime I post a video. Thanks for watching. For those that this is your first time on my channel, you are all welcome. Then for our returning subscribers, thank you for always checking out. Thanks so much and have a nice day.